They work with our children, and they say they're struggling to stay afloat. And tonight, WPTV Chief Investigator Jamie Ostrov, you're joining us now to voice the support staff for the school district of Palm Beach County. Jamie, those workers say that they really can't make ends meet, and they're asking the district for higher wages.
Yes, among other things. And we're not talking about the teachers in Palm Beach County schools. They did negotiate their contract and get a bit of a raise. We're actually talking about their co-workers, the ones who really keep things running behind the scenes, the bus drivers, the cafeteria workers, the paraprofessionals. They work full-time for a district where a majority of them say they cannot afford to live. It's why the union representing them is pushing for raises in their next contract with the district.
Ovarian.
It wasn't safe for Joyce Lynch to speak with me in person.
You know, you never think it's going to be you.
She's immunocompromised as she undergoes treatment for ovarian cancer.
And then, all the crazy things start going in your head. Well, am I going to be able to afford health care? What am I going to do? What's going to happen to my family?
Still, Joyce wanted her message to be heard.
We all work hard, and we all deserve health care.
Joyce has worked for the school district of Palm Beach County since 1996.
And I've been a school bus driver. I'm a special needs driver, and I love my job. I love my kids. I love my fellow workers. It really is like a family there.
She's on medical leave right now and considers herself fortunate because of her seniority with the district.
I'm like up in the top 5%, maybe 7%. And because of our wage increases for school bus drivers, I'm truly blessed to be able to afford my health care.
But Joyce says she's in a minority among her coworkers.
We all talk, and there's been many times that they told me they couldn't go to the doctor because they couldn't afford to pay for the copay. And it's sad.
The Service Employees International Union, which represents Joyce and her coworkers who are not teachers, polled its members who work for Palm Beach County schools. They found 1 in 5 don't have any health insurance, suggesting they can't afford the premium. And more than a third said they avoid medical appointments and treatment because of the cost.
This could come upon them just like it did me. And I don't want anyone to have to choose between life and death. And it's to that point.
Aside from health care, the employees said they can't afford housing on their salary, with more than half saying they get some sort of help paying for it through a roommate or other means.
You have folks who are making less than $20,000 a year in some cases, a lot making about maybe $25,000 a year.
For full-time work?
Yes, for full-time work.
Erwin Sineas is the union representative for SEIU, now in the process of negotiating a new contract with the school district of Palm Beach County. The union's last contract expired at the end of 2024.
We're making headway and we're making moves, but there's still room for improvement.
They're asking for wage increases, more affordable health coverage, and increased staffing to address overtime issues.
They're just here to serve, but we need to do better by them.
The next bargaining session with the district is scheduled for April 3rd. So I did ask the school district for an interview to talk about their side of these negotiations, and a spokesman responded this afternoon via email telling me the district values their non-instructional staff and they follow market data to set wages. They also advocate for state funding to help with those wages, adding, quote, "We have recently offered a 3% initial wage increase for this employee group, and we have not received a counter proposal to this offer. We look forward to continuing to negotiate with their representatives." Now, the spokesman characterized the negotiations as respectful and collaborative. Todd?